Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on equal shares with fractions. So I'm going to give you some examples and then a bonus activity. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at those now. So for this problem, it says Sean shares one pizza with 5 friends. We can show one whole pizza is divided into equal parts as the division sentence 1 divided by 5. We represent that as 1 over 5 is a slice for one person. We can call it 1/5. So the fraction is 1/5. The bar model is this here. So you can see there's just one part shaded out of the 5. And then the division sentence is 1 divided by 5. Samantha shares one chocolate bar equally. What is the fraction of the bar for a person when she shares it as follows? In 2 pieces per person, in 6 pieces per person, and in 4 pieces per person. So basically, the 2 pieces are telling how many people are there to split the chocolate bar up. Okay, so if that seems a little vague, that's what it's asking. So for the first one, in 2 pieces per person, we would write this as 1/2, 1 over 2. The second one would be 1/6, 1 over 6. And then the last one would be 1/4 or 1 over 4. So for the bonus activity, answer the following questions below. For number 1, Shasha is having her 6th birthday party and invites her friends. She has a birthday cake that she will split equally for each person. What is the fraction of the cake for one person when she shares it as follows? So we've got 1 over 8 or 1/8. We've got 1/3, 1 over 3, and then 1/10, 1 over 10. So those are the numbers, the fractions. And then how would you write that out? Number 2, Sean divides 6 liters of juice equally into 8 containers. What is the fraction of 1 liter of juice in each container? So basically, just write the fraction. That's all you need to do here. Number 3, Evelyn shares a pineapple equally into 7 pieces. She shares a pear equally into 3 pieces. Write the fraction to show the size of each pieces of fruit. Draw a bar model to show the fractions. Okay, so you saw me at the beginning of the video show how I did the fractions, and then I showed you a bar model. So do the same thing for this part here. I'll make sure I have an answer key in the description down below so you can check and see how you did on this. So that's today's video, and again, I really appreciate you spending part of your day with me, and thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.